Hey, CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So CraftDee. It's the last shopping Sunday before Christmas, and we are at the Dollar Tree, and I'm sharing with you lots of new finds that arrived this week. So no need to keep you waiting. Let's dive in. So I'm starting off in the craft section, and look what I have spotted. These are the cutting machine mats. These are like for your Cricut. They have them in a purple, which is a strong grip. They also have them in a blue color, and that is for a light grip. Now they also have them in a pink, which is the fabric grip. Now, no worries, you guys. If you do not have a cutting machine, these mats have so many uses. You can actually use these for cutting different items. Like if you're using a rolling cutter or an X-Acto knife, you could definitely use these for that purpose as well. So you could get all three of these. Now in the greenery section, I found some new greenery. I love these little branches with the cascading vines. So really nice. I saw them in different bundles. This is the dark green bundle. I've never seen this one before at my Dollar Tree. Now, if you didn't want to go as dark, they did have a medium green and they had a lighter green, so you can mix and match and coordinate with your decor. Another item I found in the kitchen section is this cheese wire cutter. This is a name brand by the Joey brand. These were selling around $13 on Walmart, so such a great deal at $1.25. Another great item is this posable phone holder. This is a flexi grip smartphone mount and holder. You guys, if you want to go hands-free for anything, this is such a neat way to do that, and a steal at just $1.25. Now over in the health and beauty, I found this new item. So this is an Urban Hydration apple and banana cleansing water. I thought that this was such a neat item. I've never tried it, but if you guys have tried this, let me know. I'm really interested to see how these waters work. Now I know that there's other blends out there, but this is the only one at my store. Also in health and beauty, I've never seen any Yardley brand deodorant. Now this is the roll-on brand of deodorant in a lavender scent, so check that out. This was also another new item. This is moleskin padding for foot comfort. If you wear a lot of high heels or have some pain or discomfort on the bottoms of your feet, this is a great item to have, $1.25. For the kiddos, they had all these foaming soaps. I've never seen this huge variety of soaps at my store. All kinds of different colors to make bath time fun for the littles. Now they also had little containers here. This is bath slime. Now this is actually soap as well. So while they're having fun, they're getting clean at the same time. Now last week I showed you the Summer's Eve wipes, but this week I found the Summer's Eve cleanser. This is the calming, luxurious wash that is safe and gentle for daily use. I have been on the hunt for this because this is one of those items that's much more expensive in other stores. So make sure you check around the cracks and crevices of the store to find this item. I did not know they still made comic books, you guys. So these are the DC comic books for $1.25. You could get the Green Lantern, the Green Arrow, Aquaman, and Flash, all the fun comic book types. If you have that collector, check these out. There's only these in this display for $1.25. Now over in the food section, I had to call this out. These huge bags of granola. This is honey and almond. I've never seen this huge bag of granola at Dollar Tree. We already know that granola is expensive in the stores, and this one was very much picked over. There were only just a few bags in this display, so definitely check this out if you love granola. Last week I featured the Special K protein bars and peanut butter and chocolate, and I did find the strawberry this week for the meal bars. So if you want that extra boost of protein, check these bars out. Around the corner, we know New Year's is on the way, and they had this huge display of New Year's items, from the long little blowhorns. They have these shorter ones with all these tinsel. They even have these little bottles of bubbles that are shaped like champagne bottles and cheers banners. You can even get a headband that said Happy New Year in red and green and other colors. They also have these champagne shaped decor pieces, and also necklaces and beads that you can wear. So many fun things. Check these little bottles out. So these are party poppers. They did have them in silver and like kind of black color in a box here, but check this out. They have a huge one that's also available here. This is the champagne popper. I did see this in gold and silver. This is definitely a deal, and only a few were left at my store. And to top it all off, you have to have a hat. So they had assorted colors of these sparkly hats that you could use in a glitter finish. I did have to swing by the pet section because you got to have something for the fur babies, and the Clausen pickles are back. They come back every Christmas season. So whether you're replacing last year's or want to get new ones, they are available at the Dollar Tree. Now, this was a late arrival, and I know it's a Christmas item, but I thought these were neat because I had never seen the light up bulbs in this kind of design. They come in classic Christmas colors like green, red, and gold, but I was looking closely at the gold ones for a DIY. They seem like they could be repurposed for something that you could use in regular decor. So I did pick up some gold ones, but I thought these were just really, really pretty, and I wanted to feature them just in case you were on the hunt for these or had not seen these this year. Now on to Valentine's Day. Can you believe it? It's already out. So look at this cute little sign. This says Our Love, super thick. And this is made by a company called Nielsen Bainbridge Group. They always come up with these high quality items, and this is cute for Valentine's Day. Also for Valentine's Day, look at these little items here. So this is like a little bear holding a little heart. So super cute. Now these are the motion and sound activated versions. Of course, you can have them as shelf sitters if you want to, but I thought they were super cute. They also have this triple stack heart one. This is also motion activated. Just don't drop it like I did. But they are really cute for Valentine's Day. And then, of course, the gnomes. They always have to have a gnome out for every season. And this is the Valentine's gnome. Really cute. I saw 4 different styles of these gnomes. I think that these are just too adorable, and they're weighted at the bottom. And they have started putting out all of the candies. Now, you guys know retail season is 2 months ahead of regular season. So we know to expect these things a few months ahead. So this is how retail works. Now on to the Dollar Tree Plus section. The Valentine's things keep continuing. The first thing was this cute glass box. Now this is glass with a gold metal trim. It has a mirror on the bottom. Really nice quality. I think this is a gorgeous storage piece for jewelry and other items. Now this was a very impressive item. This is a large metal mail box with a clasp opening on the front. I thought this was an amazing deal for $5. I knew it had to be more, but this is such a great deal. They did have it in pink, white, and they did have a red one. You can keep this as is or repurpose it. They have some signs out for the Valentine's Day season. This one says, "Love is all you need." I love all the layers and laser cut wood and the fabric and beading integrated into these pieces. It makes them look really, really high end. I saw 3 different styles at the Dollar Tree. This is a really cute one with XOXO and a little fabric rosette kind of heart on the front. These are just $5. We can't go without all of the Valentine's Day themed cars and trucks. So they have the little bug themed car here. Of course, you got to have the camper with the little hearts on there. I thought that was really cute with the pink and ivory color. And who can forget the red truck with the Valentine's hearts on the back? All of these are just $5, and they're all metal. These signs are back from years prior, but they're still just the same quality. And they use all of these different mediums, whether it is metal, it is paint, it is fabric. I love how they integrate all of those things. And look at this XOXO with the beads. I love this one. This one probably has to be my favorite. I think it's such great quality. These little triple heart stacks are really cute too, so you don't even have to go with a Valentine's Day theme. You can go neutral or you can go with red. I also spotted some pink ones in the back that I didn't get on film, but I think that these are such great quality for just $3 a piece. This little frame is really cute too. So the unique feature of this is it has glitter inside the front of the frame. So you can change out the picture on the inside. This one says, "I love us," perfect for a couple's picture. And then they have another one that says, "Be mine." This has a different color of glitter on the inside. I think this would be a perfect addition for a gift basket for Valentine's Day. They have the large trays. These are back as well, just as vibrant as ever with the roses and love on the inside in red. And then they have this one with "Be Mine" on white. And of course, these can always be repurposed for something else if you want to. Use them to put your Valentine's Day sweets and goodies on or make a gift basket. Here's the two-tiered trays. They come out for almost every season now, and these are the heart-shaped two-tier trays. You could get them in red. They also have them in pink, or you could choose a white one. These always go very quickly, so make sure you get there early. If you want to set up a nice charcuterie board, this would be really cute. So this is a bamboo board for Valentine's Day that has the little knife included. It has like a burned in wording on there that says "love" or XOXO. Perfect to make a little romantic charcuterie board for you and that special someone, or just for parties and things like that. Really great idea for $5. These rose string lights are so really cute. I did buy the red ones last year, but they are back this year in pink and red. I love that they're nice and long. They're 13 feet long. They're for indoor use only. I think that these are so really cute. Just $5. These boxed roses are always a winner at the Dollar Tree because they look like they're such high quality. So they have "Happy Valentine's Day" on the outside, and look at the assortment of beautiful roses on the inside. I think this is almost some of the most realistic rose bundles I've seen at Dollar Tree. So really cute, and these boxes are only just $5. Now, if you still love roses, they have the rose balls too. These are the rose kissing balls. They have a little hanger where you can hang them up, but you can also DIY or do projects with these. These are great for wedding centerpieces and things like that. So always keep that in mind if you're thinking about something like this. It's not just for Valentine's Day. You could do this in all kinds of projects. And you can get these in ivory, red, or pink. And you could choose whichever combinations you wanted to put together or get all one color. It's all up to you. These heart wreaths are always a winner in my book. They do come back year to year. You can get them in the pink, the ivory, and the red. They're only $5. For the amount of roses on these, you can't even buy and make it for that price. Now there's some more lighted pieces. These are the lighted string hearts. They come in a red, and this one is really cute. You can also get these in pink. Now I did find that the red ones were heavier, so I don't know if that means quality or something like that, but the red ones were heavier. They run on 2 AA batteries. If you want pillows, they got you covered. Look at these cute little pillows. So this one is you and me on like an ivory color. If you like the red velvety feel, they have the XOXO with the little hearts. You always need hugs and kisses, and this one is on a plush pink. You have the classic "Be Mine." This one is on red, and then the final one is a light pink. This one says "Happy Valentine's Day." I think these would be a great addition for a gift basket or gift box. They have the twine wreaths. These have little flowers and ribbons on them in different combinations. You will get red ribbons. I believe there were some with pink ribbons as well. You could actually add to this or keep this as is. If you want a table runner, you're doing a tablescape, they have these heart table runners, really cute. They come back year to year. You can get multicolor or you can get these solid red. You might be able to take these apart and use the hearts in a different DIY. Now, last week, I featured a bunch of games and I featured Trouble with Ninja Turtles. This week, I found Trouble with SpongeBob. They rolled out a bunch more of these games at my Dollar Tree because they knew the Christmas shopping was continuing. And then they did have this too. This is a magnetic drawing board. This reminds me of the Etch-a-Sketch back in the day. So this is the Dollar Tree version of this and it's only $5. They also have this. Now, this is a slushy slime mix station. Not sure how I feel about this as far as the mess is concerned, but I know the kids would have a blast with this little kit. It's only $5. And then I had to feature this checkers game. I've seen the other ones in wood, but this is another checkers one in wood, and they zoomed into the quality here. You could see the board through the package. Such great quality for these solid wood pieces that are just $5. And then I saw these items. If you have someone who collects Star Wars items, I found these figurines. I have never seen this at my Dollar Tree. Now, I do visit multiple Dollar Trees. I visit up to about 12 stores a week. So I always see something different, but these were only at one store, you guys. That tells you you have to go on the hunt. But if you know a collector, I think that these would be a great addition to that. So be on the hunt. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more fun finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right hand corner of this video or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. And if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you could check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree, and let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you all have a Merry Christmas.